Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to purchase Microsoft Excel and Word in 2026. For that, first of all, simply open your web browser and here in the search bar, you need to search for Microsoft 365. Now, when you do this, you will be landed here on the Microsoft 365 page where you just have to scroll down a bit and take a look at all of the Microsoft Office options that you can choose from. So they have for the individual options, for businesses, for enterprises, and for educations. So they have different types of plans available. So you need to simply select the one that best describes you. For example, you can select the option of for individual and then simply click on the option of see the plans and the pricing. After doing this, you will be landed on the next page where you need to also provide your email address, select your country, and click on the option of sign up. After doing this, it is going to show you how much you need to pay. So you can select whether you want to pay monthly, whether you want to pay yearly. So if you go with the yearly plan, it will cost you less or you will get some of the discounts. So after selecting this, you just have to choose which plan you want to buy, whether you want to buy the personal plan, family plan, or the premium plan. So after selecting the plan, simply click on the option of buy now here in the bottom, then simply click on the option of continue. Now after signing up into your account, you just have to make the payment, and when your payment is done, you are going to get access to your Microsoft 365 and you will be able to see it inside your Microsoft dashboard. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.